Good morning. Happy day 146 of day trading the stock market open with a small cash account. We are going to try with some pre-market action here. We have a similar PR that we've been seeing, and it just happened on RBNE. So let's see if this thing just goes crazy. Let's see if it goes crazy. Now, I'm going to have to sell up here. I got to get situated with all my stuff. I don't have a hotkey to sell pre-market, which I know, terrible decision, but it is what it is. And I know I need to make one. Let's see UPR. So this is another one of those crypto news ones. Nice. Excellent. Quick trade on very low shares. Beautiful risk reward there. Got in at 412, out at 450. It went to 550, but all right, this one's gonna go, might go nutty today. So let's lock in and maybe we keep some shares for the ride. Uh-oh. Do I have an order still out there? I don't think so. Five broke down. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. Can you even hear me? Where's my mouse? There it is. Yeah, you can hear me. 1 minute to make a new high. Gonna be above 6. There's 6. Yo, this thing is gonna cruise today. $6.40. We still got another 10 minutes until the market opens. This is my first time trading pre-market in quite some time. There's 6 again. Some sellers there at 610. There's 640. 1 minute to make a new high. A little bit of a fake out so far. This pullback was excellent though. I mean, people are going to be all over this. It's like the same exact PR. Look. completes 30 million Bitcoin allocation through digital bank. That's not the one I read earlier, but you guys get the idea. What a gift a pullback would be, huh? Pullback to EMA 482. Six. $6.67's 1 minute to make a new high. I didn't even get through all the stocks. I didn't even get through the whole list of stocks. All right, how many people are going to be waiting for the VWAP bounce? I got in early to try to anticipate people waiting for that VWAP area. Bummer. That's a $100 L there. All right, let's look for a bear trap here over, like over 5, I guess. Happy with taking that shot there, though. It doesn't look like Dash Trader likes when I take my executions through here. 481. Decent selling pressure took that down. Let's see if it regains anything. We're gonna give it a go. Oh, that's what it is. It's my automatic sell that it doesn't like. That makes sense. Oh man, the problem with not having a hotkey is I'm just fumbling these keys around. Gotta jump. All right, so gotta clean it up a little bit. Let's wait till the open here. Yesterday's gains are now gone, but that's okay. Happy with taking that front side bear trap shot. Gotta do it. Gotta do it, especially with this market. I mean, WLDS up 530%. If it gets above 8, that might be interesting again. WLDS. I was hoping our BNE was going to follow suit. ASST. So many stocks moving. Let's watch Glee. Could be able to do some damage on some shares on that one if we catch the correct entry. So adjustment, I need to make, when markets are extremely hot and it kind of forces people to trade pre-market, I need to make a hotkey for pre-market. It's pretty silly that I don't have a sell for a pre-market. Pre-market button. All right, when this opens, where's it going to be at? Oh, we're going to have space. Got to get above 527, then we got a little bit of space. Three minutes till the open. I would really prefer not to take any more pre-market trades, but this is the PR that I read. Completes initial $5 million Bitcoin allocation as part of new treasury strategy. We've seen this treasury strategy. We've seen that 3 days in a row. In regards to crypto news. Oh. Okay, we got 1 minute and 50 seconds until the open. Game time. Almost game time. Is WLDS gonna opening surge? It looks like it might. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game time. Oh, the bid's more than the ask here on WLDS. The bid's still more than the ask. That was a telltale sign. Or the bid's still more than the ask. I should have smashed that buy button. Silly goose. You don't see that every day. Halt it up. Let's go, RBNE. Your turn. Your turn. Speeding up. Halt up? Wow, that's an early halt up. 397? That seems tight. I don't want to get in on a halt up or it moved up. Okay, that was not the ideal entry. I was trying to get in around 4 and I got in way high, unfortunately. So it's okay. I bought the ask when the spread got pretty nasty. That's what happens. It's okay. Halt up, move to 448. I should really wait until this thing gets above VWAP here. Let's not get anxious. Let's not get excited just because things are moving. Okay, WLDS. There was so much. The imbalance from buyers and sellers right there at the open was crazy. Actually, even if I tried to buy the ask, I don't think I would have been able to get filled. The bids were so much higher. Got another minute and a half for WLDS. About 50 seconds. You know, in hindsight, unnecessary backside trade here. But that's okay. It's all right. I also have to assume that if I take an L here on WLDS, it's probably going to be a $100 L as well, because these are going to be moving quick and run one direction or another, even if I take my smallest share size possible. Okay. Okay, good quick trade. Dip and rip action. Taking it again over 819. Looks like it might halt down. GLE's halted up. COPR getting smacked around. And it is going to halt down. Bummer. All right, let's go. Our BNE VWAP 440. Halt up 464. Pivot point at 5. I can see if 4 holds again, but I've already got cooked on that. There's 450. Possible halt up 464. Nope. Nope. So it doesn't show. Oh, the halt up moved up. I was going to say it doesn't show super big strength, but the halt up moved up, so that's okay. Let's give it a little bit more time. No rush, no rush. 478's new halt up. Again, not strong enough for the halt up. Oh, I didn't get filled. It's a shame. Halt up moved to 495. These trades are getting in my way. Halt up moved to 513. That buying volume was just as big as the selling volume there. I'm gonna let this candle relax. If it goes, it goes. It's fine. Oh, volume's looking decent though. $87, $85, $86, $85. Hold the line. Hold the VWAP line. If you get through 5, I mean, you could test 6. So I'm going to have to be quick on this trigger if it does, though. Don't want to get caught in a wick, though. 12 seconds until a new minute. $63, $65, $67, $69. New minute. Oh, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Yo, these automatic sells on these higher stocks are just way too tight. I mean, I'm wasting all this money for like a few cents. That it's getting... By all the money, I mean all the buying power. And it's halted down. All right, well, we're running out of cheddar here. We could take... Oh, that's decent range, actually. Get above VWAP. Actually, no, reject and come back to EMA. How many shares can I take? Hurry, quick, quick, quick. Halt up 263. Oh, that's right at VWAP. That's not ideal. Not ideal. Ooh, halt up move to 272. There's the VWAP break. This thing got to 624 pre-market on the first few minutes. That's wild. WLDS back open. Living young and wild and free. Possible halt up for GLE. I don't think I have enough to trade WLDS again. And GLE halted up. All right, so I'm going to wait for this resumption to open up and see what it does. And that might be the last of the cheddar I have for the day. So when's it gonna open? 9:40. Ooh, WLDS possible halt up. And it is halted up. WLDS. What is RB? What are you gonna do now then? So much range in these stocks. Oh, so much range. The idea is to be ready for all action after we're over PDT, and I feel like I'm there. Like, I feel like I can let them fly when they need to fly. By that I mean size-wise. Like, I'm not really scared to use size. I say that, but that's usually my biggest obstacle is sizing up, because it's, when the losses start getting bigger, yeah, they could be just a few trades away, but it's just such an adjustment. We got 2 minutes left for GLE. We got some issues around 3. That's obvious. Nope, don't like that one. EMA is still under VWAP though. Our BNE's back open. Our BNE gonna do something crazy. I don't know. Do I have enough? I don't know if I have enough to trade this again. It's gonna halt up. It's gonna halt up. Oh, false halt. Actually, no, the halt level moved up. Let's see if it chases the halt level. Small buyer there, small seller there at 420 got eaten pretty quick. Not the greatest move through VWAP. Okay, GLE about to open. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Caught in a halt down. Tried to buy the dip. Bummer. And we're gonna have to wait for that to open. I don't have enough cheddar to trade this one now if it gets above 5. If she gets above 5, this thing might absolutely cook. RBNE. The mistake here on GLE is I already knew it didn't have any news, but with the market conditions as they are, I don't want to hesitate when taking dips. I don't want to be afraid of taking dips. I took it with the small amount of share sizes my hotkeys are set up for, so it's not, it could be worse. What? This will be the first red day in quite some time, so I'm happy with it. I took the shots. You can't score if you don't take shots, so I'm not displeased with it. Of course, nobody's thrilled about a red day, but in hindsight, I probably could have waited till MACD turned up here. I think I got a little too anxious at the market activity. Same with these. This could have waited. This could have waited. That's a good shot. That's a front side panic flush to VWAP that I got taken out on. These trades could have waited. These trades could have waited through 5 and then a pullback. There could have been cleaner entries there for RBNE. For WLDS, I think I only traded it once. Great exit here. Avoided getting caught in the halt down. And then caught in the halt down here on GLE. So yesterday's gains were wiped. Ended up yesterday at like $82 profit. Those are gone, but I've still, I think, successfully pulled myself out of the 30. I think it was a 90-day drawdown, so pulled myself out of that as of yesterday. It might be back in after today, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. By that I mean we'll look at the chart after. I'll look at the chart after I upload the trades. So when I got in on the first trade on RBNE in pre-market, and I took that, the stock moved $1. I only capitalized 50 cents out of it. I say only. That's a great trade. My mind immediately clicked to yesterday and the day before where the stocks just went like this pre-market. So I was like, let's get after it. Let's go. So the first pullback, I got aggressive. I got in pretty high because I was thinking, one, I missed this wick here, 465 to 635. So if I could capitalize $2, that would have been fantastic. That would have been awesome. So jumped in on this pullback a little aggressively high, but it's okay. Thinking it was going to just bounce right back and bulls would still be in control, but it looks like that PR might have lost some steam, although we still have other stocks moving for sure. But if you look at the market open, it's tough. Look at this. It's just the stocks seem to have lost most momentum from the pre-market when you go into the market open, which we saw yesterday, but yesterday was also a difficult day to trade. So, it is what it is. RBNE looking like it try to build pressure up to VWAP in 450. You'll see if it gets through 450 and then comes and tests 5. No love through VWAP. We got a 10-minute here for GLE. No way. Oh, is this a clock? The Dash Trader now is a countdown clock? That's legit. I don't have to sit here and count my little fingies anymore. Alright, there's a push through VWAP. EMA is trying so hard to get through VWAP. This price action is trying to get it through VWAP, but it's just not loving it. That's what it's supposed to be. Living young and wild, AT. My wife says my worst quality about me is I put my name in every song I hear, which is true, I do. I think that's one of the best qualities about me. There's a push through 50, back to 50, under 50, fake breakout, topping tail. That's tough trading. That's tough trading. Oh, that's tough trading. She gonna flush down. All down's 335 on that. What's my DAS at? It's gonna show me my active. Yeah. Unrealized, this trade's gonna be about $100. Or realize, you know, this trade's gonna be about $100 L when it opens up. What do you do? That's okay. What we got? A minute and 21 seconds. This is on its second halt, first halt, second. No, this is its third halt. 2 halt ups and a halt down. Wow, I got an extraordinarily high fill. Did I not try to hit that at EMA? I got filled at 263, which is at VWAP. I'm gonna have to review the tape on that. I thought I was. Did I go for a VWAP bounce? I don't remember. I'm gonna have to look back on the video and see what I was trying to do here. Because usually when EMA is under VWAP, I wait for the break or the rejection from it, like I did in yesterday's video, and take it down here. Speeding up RBNE. Speeding up, speeding up, speeding up. Oh, we're open. Let's get out of there. $96 L. All right, we're down 170 for the day. It's okay. We were up 80 yesterday, 83 or something yesterday. So I don't hate it. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. But that's it. Spread love, be good to each other. Drop a comment, drop a like. Let me know how y'all did. A lot of action going on here. I am all out of buying power. There's no more shots at the title today. The only green stock I was on today was WLDS here on this strangely ugly candle. But that's it. Spread love, be good to each other. I'm out of here. Peace.